1 minute. Everyone, I'm Fardin Khurasi from MSc first year. My topic is Coca-Cola. So, about the company, this is a multinational company which sells beverages in a large number from many years, and it has a headquarter in Atlanta, Georgia, and they have interest in manufacturing, retailing, and marketing of non-alcoholic beverages, and syrups. About the Coca-Cola, this is the picture which the bottles are changing from 1899 to 1986, and the Coca-Cola was first invented by pharmacist John State Pemberton. Mm. And then it was this formula of making this was sold, and the brand was sold to Asa Griggs Candler. The Coca-Cola company was in Atlanta in 1892. The company has operated a franchise distribution system since 1889. The company largely produced syrups concentrated, which is then sold to various bottlers throughout the world who had exclusive territories. The company owns a tanker bottlers in North America, Coca-Cola Refreshments. The Coca-Cola company is the world's largest producer of plastic waste. Many, like in now also, they are selling their products in plastic bottles only, as there are so many criticisms then also. About sales, as Coca-Cola is a sales its products in more than 200 countries, and they have very large income every year, and like it has the highest selling products of beverages. According to the Coca-Cola Company's 2005 annual report, it has sold beverage product in more than 200 countries that year. The 2005 report further states that of the more than 50 billion beverage serving of all types consumed worldwide daily, beverages bearing the trademarks owned by or licensed to Coca-Cola accounts for approximately $1.5 billion. Of these, beverages bearing the trademark Coca-Cola or Coke accounted for approximately 78% of the company's total gallon sales. In 2010, it was announced that the Coca-Cola had become the first brand to top 1 billion in annual UK grocery sales. In 2017, Coca-Cola sales were down 11% from the year before due to consumer taste shifting from the sugary drinks. Like it is going very nicely, but sometimes it is getting decrease in sales because of it has so much sugar in it. Advertising is a very important thing in the sales of these drinks, and it is noted that the Coca-Cola has very nicely done advertising, and it is the main point that it is going very nicely. Coca-Cola advertising has been among the most prolific in marketing history, with a notable and major impact on popular culture and society as a whole. The product is ranked the number one soft drink repeatedly internationally and has notoriety as the first soft drink consumed by astronauts in space. Coca-Cola employs a diverse range of integrated marketing communication to advertise through direct marketing, web-based media, social media, and sales promotions. So, so as I told that because of the advertising only they have went from uh, went from very long time, and as they were as astronauts were the first to drink Coca-Cola in the space. They have the vans uh, which will display Coca-Cola logo and move in the road. So this is the one way that they advertise their drinks. This is the stock share. This is the photo of the share which is sold to stockbrokers of the Coca-Cola company, and the shares will never go down. It is the record that Coca-Cola company shares had never went down. And this is the photo of the shares. This is the Coca-Cola company office in Madrid, Spain. As of 2020, the Coca-Cola company offers more than 500 brands in over 200 countries. So as of 2020 means last year, they were holding more than 500 brands like water bottle, sweet drinks, and soft drinks, like many things. But now because of this COVID-19, they went into some loss, and now they are reducing their half of their brands. These were the products before in last year. Uh, More than this were there, and this person is the owner of the Coca-Cola company. Thank you.